Hello, good morning everybody. Now let us learn about HSV 1 and 2. Okay, one minute, just wait. Now let us learn about HSV 1 and 2. In HSV, there are two types, that is HSV1 and HSV2, and there is another type, that is herpes zoster. Okay, total there are three types, HSV1, HSV2 and herpes zoster. In HSV1, we can see blisters upon their lips. In the lips, there will be blisters. So it is type 1 HSV. In HSV2, we can see blisters upon the penis or upon vagina. I mean in their private part. It comes by sexually transmitted. It is a sexually transmitted disease which comes by double-stranded DNA virus. In virus there are two types, RNA virus and DNA virus. So HSV1 and HSV2 are caused by double-stranded DNA virus. Double-stranded DNA virus. But it is learnt in 50% cases we see false positive. As per a study of American doctors, it is learnt in 50% cases we see false positive. That means patient do not have the symptoms in their private party or upon their body. Okay, so that is, they are called false positive. In 50% cases, as per American doctors study, we see false positive cases. In 75% cases, we see blisters upon their private part or upon their lips. And in 25% cases, we can see blisters upon their body. Instead of private part, we can see blisters upon their body. Okay, and in some cases HSV may remain in latent state also. Latent state means there will be no symptom, but the disease will be in the body in a hidden state. Okay, so anyway, HSV1 and 2, the most dangerous and complicated diseases, are cured by the combination of or by the coordination of allopathy and homeopathy. Okay, by the coordination of allopathy and homeopathy. In homeopathy we have to give high potency medicine, not 30 or 200 potency medicine. I won't agree, because it will not be cured if you give. But anyway, aciclovir, allopathy's aciclovir is also helpful in curing HSV1 and 2. And if we add to aciclovir if you add homeopathy to acyclovir, so it will be cured early. But even then, in HSV cases we see it takes some more time. But anyway, HSV1 patients who have blisters upon their lips should not give kisses to anybody. They should not kiss any babies or any people because it will be spread. Blisters can be seen once in 15 days or once in 3 months or once in 6 months or once in a year sometimes. So, if the blisters are rubbed by 50% concentrated alcohol, the blisters will disappear early. It will vanish early. Okay. So, in my opinion, HSV 1 and 2 may be cured, but it takes some more time. So, saying this much, I request you all to subscribe my video, to like my video and encourage me. At the same time, I appreciate the efforts of YouTube officials who are encouraging me to grow in the medical field and serve more and more patients. So thanks to YouTube officials. My number is +91 934 22 55080. I can certainly cure HSV 1 and 2. It may take some more time. It may take up to 1 year, sometimes 1.5 years. But anyway, I can cure HSV with allopathy. Okay, so thanks to the audience and YouTube officials. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, encourage me. My number is +91 934 22 55080. Thank you all.